Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Bams. So today I want to tell you about a drama called Beer Girl, written by Walter Whiskey. This story is very different from most dramas, and that is why I choose it. At first, it seems funny. A man falling in love with a girl made out of beer cans. But the more you watch it, the more you see that it's about something deeper. And this drama shows how a person can feel very lonely and afraid of real relationships. Sometimes people choose to live in their own dream in their own dream world instead of facing the pain of real life. That is why this story is interesting. It shows us how love, sadness, and imagination can mix together. So now, let me tell you the story from the beginning until the end. The story begins in a hotel room. This is the exposition of the story. We see Bob, the main character in the story, talking to Beer Girl, a figure he made from empty beer cans. He talks to her, says reals, and say that he loves her. Then Flo, his ex-girlfriend, comes into the room and she's surprised and upset to see Bob with this strange girl. This is when the rising starts, and Flo getting angry and asks Bob why is he doing this. Bob explained that he wants a true and peaceful love. Now, not like a peaceful love, not like with his past, which has full of fight. Then comes of the climax of the story. Bob kisses Beer Girl and suddenly she comes alive. Bob is very happy and believes that his love made this happen. But the moment isn't perfect. Because Beer Girl is not fully human, their relationship cannot be like a normal one. And in the following action, Beer Girl tells Bob that if they want to be truly together, he has to drink her. And she says that this is the only way they can become one. Flo, who is watching, begins to think she might still have a chance to be with Bob. And finally, in resolution, Bob drinks Beer Girl, and which shows that how strong his love is. And Flo sees this and starts to think that Bob might come back to her. And now that you know the story, let's look at the problems that the character face. This drama has two kind of conflicts. The first one is internal conflict, and the second is external conflict. The internal conflict is inside in Bob. He wants to feel love again, but he is afraid of getting hurt. And so, instead of loving a real person, he builds someone he can control. He says the things like, "I know I just met you, but I love you." This shows that he is scared of real emotion. And the external conflict is happen when Bob and Flo, and also between Bob and reality. Flo becomes angry when she sees Bob with Beer Girl, and she says this is so stupid and tries to hurt Beer Girl. But Bob stops her, and Bob also fights with reality. He believes Beer Girl is real and says, "My love brought her to life," while Flo tells him this is impossible. And Bob wants to believe in magic even if no one else does. After the conflict, let's meet the character and understand who they are. The character and the characterization. The first character is Bob. Bob is a man who doesn't feel good about himself. He says, "I'm a loser," which that shows he has a low confidence, and he also a romantic person. He says to Beer Girl, "I can't live without you." This quote shows that he wants love more than anything else. The second character is Birger. Birger is a kind and caring. She wants Bob to happy. She even says, "Take my life, dream me. I want to be part of you." She is ready to give herself to Bob completely. And the last character is Flo. Bob's ex-girlfriend, is jealous and angry. She shouts, "You couldn't have me, so you made a fake girl." Flo still has feelings for Bob, but she hides them behind her anger. And now, let's move to the big idea or the theme of the story. This story is about dream versus reality. Bob wants to live in a dream world where everything feels safe and easy. He doesn't want to feel pain again. That's why he makes Beer Girl and falls in love with her. And when Flo tells him to be real, Bob says, "Beer Girl showed me the magic of the universe." This shows that he doesn't want to face real life. He would rather live in his own world, because where things go the way he wants, this theme is very powerful because many people feel the same way when they are hurt or sad. And let's talk about the main issues of this story. The biggest problem in this drama is emotional escape. Bob cannot face the pain of his past relationship with Flo, so he runs away from real life. He creates Beep Girl to feel safe and loved, even though she isn't real. He says, "We're soulmates," even though she is made from cans. This shows that Bob is very lonely. He would rather love something fake than take a risk of loving a real person again. This issue shows how hard love can be and how some people choose dreams when life becomes too painful. And I want to share about my personal thought and the conclusion. I have found the most surprising in this drama is that when the ending, Bob really drinks Beer Girl so they can be together forever. At first, I thought it was strange and crazy, but then I saw that it was also very sad and emotional. Bob loved her so much that he gave everything. This made me think that, can people truly fall in love with something that isn't real? And how far will someone go to avoid being hurt again? And to end my presentation, I want to say that this drama, is a drama that looks simple but has a very deep message. It talks about love, pain, fantasy, and the human heart. It teaches us that even though dreams can feel safe, they can also make us lose touch with the real world. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I'm sorry for the all mistake that I made. I hope you. Terima kasih. Thank you.